Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to see Story Archive in Facebook. So first, when you open your Facebook app, as you can see here, now tap on the profile icon at the top right of your screen, and now tap on this See Your Profile. And from here, you need to tap these three dots beside that Edit Profile button. And then from here, tap on Archive. And then here on archive, you just want to tap this story archive and you'll find here all the saved story archive from your Facebook. Now, if you want to enable the story archive on your Facebook, let's go to turn this on. So let's go back from here and then tap on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right. And from here, you want to go to scroll down until find stories. So tap that one. And from here, go to Story Archive. And from here, need to make sure that you turn on this Save to Archive. So that's how you basically see Story Archive in Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.